is Alex River reporting live on National 9 News. Charlotte is going to show us where the new pool is going to go.
As you can hear, the machines are making a lot of noise cutting down the trees.
You do know that trees are being cut down?
Yes, we do. We're trying to do something about that. That'll be all for today. Thank you. I wonder what we should do to make it up to all the animals that lost their habitat.
What about a wildlife reserve?
Oh yeah, we could make a wildlife sanctuary for the animals.
About the new wildlife reserve?
Yes.
We're very happy that we could help all the animals in danger with habitat loss. We're trying to make it up to all the animals that have been lost with their habitat.
So despite your rejections, you are happy about this?
Yes, we are very thankful that my assistant here came up with the idea of a new animal life sanctuary. Well, I guess we better go over and take the honour of opening it.
Our Christmas present to the earth is save our nature.